So once again, I'm up here in the Blue Mountains. The weather has put quite a dampener on my initial plans to do a tutorial on how to take better photos with your phone. So instead, you're going to get a Misty Mountain jaunt with me. Those of you following me may recognize that tree in the background there. It was one of the most popular photos of last year, the year before? I can't remember now. Either way, it was that tree in the snow. Anyways, please like and subscribe if you're not already following my channel. Anyways, let's get going and see what we can get on this lovely misty day. Bye! Whoa. Hey, what are you doing there? Anyways, while you're stalking me, let me provide this tip. When you're checking out a popular tourist destination, make sure you check around the area too. This is right next to Gundungurra Cascades, and as you can see, it's quite a pretty little creek. You never know what you might find when you actually look instead of, just following guides and whatnot. The so-called adventurers out there who can't find a spot if you hit them in the face. Yeah, I'm throwing shade. Too bad. Deal with it. And just like that, the fog has lifted. I'm walking the track. It's a nice boardwalk track. I think it's lit at night as well. It goes along Gundungurra Cascades all the way to Gundungurra Falls, obviously. Yeah, so considering it's lit at night, if you want to come here at night, you can still check it out. Though beware of the sound of water, because, while lovely and pleasant, it can induce other things. You know what I mean. Anyways, let's continue. So, if you get to this part of the Prince Henry Cliff Walk and wonder which way to go, it's a loop, so you can go either way really. a lot of people seem to fuss about the weather when it's rainy. Oh no, I can't go outside, it's wet. What are you guys? Witches? You guys gonna melt? No, I don't think so. Don't you remember as kids, we used to enjoy this stuff, being out in the rain. What happened? You guys became less cool with what happened. Anyways, without the rain, you don't get views like this. And that gondola ride over there. Scenic world, everybody. If you haven't checked it out and you're a tourist here, make sure you go check it out. Anyways, as I was saying, definitely worth coming up to the mountains regardless if it's raining. You get this cool, foggy mountain atmosphere, almost like Silent Hill. If you're not a horror fan, ignore what I just said. Anyways, let's continue. So, this is the other end of that loop that we did before. You know, when it verged off into two different paths? We took the one less taken. Anyways. So, to make this somewhat cyclical, we're back where we started. That was the Misty Morning Mountain Jaunt. Less mist and more jaunt, I say. Fog lifted pretty fast, so... you know, you work with what you got. Anyways, I hope it was somewhat entertaining, and I'll see you all on the next one. Stay gorgeous, people. Bye.